What's the meaning of betrothal? Betrothal. Betrothal.
Betrothal. Betrothal. Betrothal refers to the act of entering into an engagement or formal agreement to marry. It is a legally binding promise or contract between two people to wed each other at some point in the future. Betrothal has been practiced throughout history in various cultures and has often involved the exchange of gifts, dowries, or other forms of compensation. In modern times, betrothal is less common and has been largely replaced by the tradition of engagement, which is considered a preliminary stage of marriage. Betrothal symbolizes a deep commitment and is usually accompanied by rituals and ceremonies that reflect the culture and traditions of the couple and their families.